Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video this time I will share a tutorial on how you can use Sora 2 and Veo 3 for free. Disclaimer first, this method may not last long, but for now it can still be used easily by you, okay? This tutorial is completely free. So for that, please support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing, so that I will of course be even more enthusiastic to make interesting content for all of you. Okay, here is the video tutorial. First, we will try to create a Sora 2 video using a free website, and the site that I use this time is Geminigan.ai. Here we just click it directly. In Gemini, Gen AI, there are actually a lot of AI models that you can use. One of them is Sora 2. Here there is a special offer. You can get unlimited video generation with a price of only $10 per month. If we click here, you can see the available prices, and for the first version, there is Veo Max with a price of $10 per month. Here you can get unlimited generation using Veo 3 face model access. The second one here is Veo Sora Ultimate. Here, you also get unlimited generation with a price of $15 per month. In addition, you can also get Veo 3.1 face and also Sora 2. Yes, for the price here, you can get it unlimited for a full 1 month. But here, we will not use this method because in our title, we have already discussed that this tutorial is purely free. So here we will try to use Sora 2. You just need to choose the available model here. But there is an easier way by going to the Studio section. We click first, and here you can see there are several models such as Chat AI, Video Gen, Imagen, Pitch Gen, and then Dialogue Gen. Well, here we will only use the Video Gen version, and if we look at the bottom section, here there are several video models that we can use. Yes, before we use it, we have to log in or register first. I will try to register. Here we can register using a Google account, and you can also register through your email account. As an example, I will just make it through a Google account. Now we are logged in, and if we look at the top right corner, we get 40 credits to use the AI here. We scroll down to the bottom, here you can see the available models. For the Sora 2 model here, you can see it is free. But if you want to use Sora 2 Pro, you have to subscribe, as I said earlier. Here there is also Veo. There is also Grok if you want to use it, but it is still coming soon. For Veo here, of course, you have to subscribe. Here we use Sora first, then for the model we use Sora 2. If you have a reference image, it can be added. Then in the prompt section, I will enter a prompt like this. In the cameo section, you can add a cameo if you want to create a cameo. In addition, in the orientation section, I will make it landscape as an example. And the resolution available here is only 720. For the duration here, there are 10 seconds and 15 seconds available. But of course, for 15 seconds, it is only for those of you who subscribe. If we look at the bottom section, here no credits are used per video, and we can directly generate with Sora. Now for the first video, it is still in process, but don't worry. In Gemini Gen, you can even create 2 videos at the same time using free Sora 2. How do we do that? We just enter another new prompt here. Then, still with the same settings, you can click Generate with Sora. But of course, to generate here, it can only be done twice. If you want to make a third video, you have to wait until these 2 videos are finished. Here, we can see in the history section, there are 2 videos being processed, and you just need to wait until the process is finished. Next, we will try to create a Veo 3 video for free, and the site we use is opal.google. Opal is an application creation site provided by Google, and it can still be used for free. If in your country it is not yet available, you can install a VPN to access this Opal. You can change it to the United States or to a country that supports Google Opal. To use it, you must log in first. This is the appearance of opal.google, and here there are several templates that have been provided, including blog post creation. Then there are several other models available here. And if you want it faster, you can use the models that are already available here. But here we will try to create a new application. Here we just click to create. This is the appearance of Opal, where we will create commands to make a Veo 3 video creation application. The method is quite easy. Here there is a command column, we just need to enter the command. The command that I use this time is quite simple. So I ask to create an application that can make Veo 3 videos. Once it is done, we can directly send it here. Then Opal will immediately process the application that we request according to the prompt that we provide. Now the application has been created. This is the name of the available application, and here there is a workflow that you can see for yourself. First, we can enter a command. We can also enter a reference image. Here it will later be processed, and in this section is the video result. You can also edit the application name and also its appearance. Just click it and you can change it as you like. To use it is quite easy. You just need to click the Start button. After that, you just enter the command. After that, we send it. Later, here we are asked to enter an image. But if we do not have a reference image, we can directly send it. Then it will be processed for video creation. The third tool that we can use is Gemini Business. This is also an official site from Google, and we can just open it directly. The appearance is like this, where we are asked to enter our email. After that, we choose Continue. We will be taken to a display like this, and as you can see, here we can use Gemini Business for 30 days. We just create our name here and then we check the settings. After that, we just click at the bottom. Now we have successfully entered the Gemini Business site, and the appearance is actually almost the same as the regular Gemini. Here we can enter commands or prompts for video creation, and the tools available here are Google Search, generating video, and generating images with Nano Banana Pro. To make a video is quite easy. You just need to choose the video creation tool and we can enter a prompt. It will immediately create the video when we send it like this. I do not know exactly what the limit for video creation here is, but as long as it can still be used, please use it properly. This is a video made using Gemini Gen, and the process here does not take too long. I need about 2 to 3 minutes to make a video in Gemini Gen, and for the quality, you can see it yourself on your screen. The quality for Sora 2 in Gemini Gen may be somewhat ordinary because it is still free. Then, here there is one more video that we can play. And the video result here, in my opinion, the quality is still not very good compared to if you use a pro account. We can also see the results made using Opal. And for the video result here, we can directly play it like this, and you can directly download it by clicking the 3-dot button here to download the video. The quality is good, just like usual when we use Veo 3 to make videos. Then, this is the result made using Gemini Business. For the quality, it is the same as when we are making a Veo 3 video, because indeed, the model available in Gemini Business is the Veo 3.1 model. So that is the way to make Sora 2 and Veo 3 videos for free. You can try this method while it is still valid, friends. That is all for our video this time, friends. Hopefully this video helps you, and see you again in my next video.